Welcome to Policella Homes' latest block of townhomes being released. Hi everybody, Steve Kanjar here from the only name you need to know for real estate in Niagara, Team Moving Niagara. Today we're in the end unit, which is a bungalow, 2+1 bedroom, 3 bathroom, fireplace, deck, finished basement. Place shows amazing. Thomas, take it away.